Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to remove the Bing from your Windows and Google Chrome. So let's start. As you can see here, when I open my Chrome here, the Bing is showing up here. So we can simply remove this. How? Just click on three dots and simply go to the settings here. And once you go to the settings here, go to search engine. And now Bing is showing up here. I installed the Bing yesterday, that is the reason it is showing up here. So I can simply click on manage search engine and site settings. Okay, and even we can disable this Bing and make the Google Chrome as your primary browser. It is already, but if not, then you can click on that option and make it default. So I have made already the Google Chrome as default browser, not the Bing one, and I'm going to delete the Bing from here as well, and rest everything is good, unnecessary as well. And now let's close it now, and again open the Google Chrome. As you can see here, issue has been fixed. So this is a quick video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.